Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Dear cadets, today we are going to discuss the cellular organization. Dear cadets, previously we discussed different levels of the organization of the life. Now, dear cadets, we are going to discuss the cellular organization. It means the organization levels or types of organization um, which are dependent to the cells, types of cells. So, सेलुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट डियर कैडेट्स all the organisms have been divided into five major groups that are prokaryotes, protists, fungi, plants, and animals. Dear cadets, these are five groups in which all the organisms are divided on the basis of their characteristics. All organisms are made of cells. We know very well that all the organisms are made of cells. Uh, There are two basic types of cells. The organism, the organisms in the first group are made of prokaryotic cell, while all other groups have eukaryotic cell. Dear cadets, there are two basic types of the cell. First first type of the cell is prokaryotic cells, and the organism containing made up of prokaryotic cells are known as prokaryotes, and all others organisms which and second type of the cell is eukaryotic cell, and all the organism containing eukaryotic cells is known as eukaryotes. Dear cadets, cells organize in three ways to make the bodies of the organisms. uh, Dear cadets, we know very well that a body of organism is composed of made up of cells. Now we will discuss that there are three ways, three pattern in which cells coordinate and organize with each other to form the body of the living organism. Cells make unicellular first type, first pattern of the cell organization. Unicellular, colonials, and the multicellular organizations. Circuits, these are the three types, three patterns of the organization. And the organisms formed through these organizations are unicellular organisms, colonial organisms, and multicellular organisms. Circuits, organisms which are made up of unicellular organization as known as unicellular organisms. Dear cadets, organisms which are made up of colonial organization are known as colonial organisms, and the organisms which have the multicellular organization are known as multicellular organisms. Dear cadets, now we will discuss the unicellular organism. In unicellular organism, only one cell makes the life of an organism. Dear cadets, just one cell is the whole individual organism. In the unicellular organization, only one cell is the whole, is a complete adult organism. So only one cell is a complete organism. So it is known as unicellular. Uni means one. Uni stands for one. Cellular means cell. So this organism is known as unicellular because the complete organism is made up of one cell, single cell. All the life activities are carried out by the only cell. Dear cadets, all the life activities are carried by the only single cell, which is a complete organism. For example, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena are the common examples of the unicellular. Next, dear cadets, we have the colonial type of organization. Decades here we can see the pictures, diagrams of the decades. This is amoeba. It is a unicellular. This is only single cell. Complete. It is a complete single cell, and it is also a complete organism. So it is a one cell. So it is known as unicellular organism. Next is paramecium, shoe-like structure. It is a paramecium. It is a single cell. It carries all life processes within it. So it is also unicellular, same as Euglena. Now, dear cadets, we will discuss the colonial type of